Like,
Okay.
regarde la photo. Look at the photo. No, regarde la photo means look at the photo. You got it? What is regard? Okay.
Yes.
Next.
खत्म ही नहीं हो रहे
Now,
खत्म होने का
okay. Mon grand-père s'appelle Arnaud Lombard. Il a 70 ans.
हो गया अभी
Okay, what is she saying? Mon grand-père. Mon grand-père means my grandfather. Okay, so she's saying my grand-père s'appelle Arnaud Lombard. What is her grandparents' name? Her grandfather's name?
Mon grandfather is Arnold.
Grandfather. Okay, grandpère.
Yeah. Mon grand-père s'appelle Arnold Lambert.
Okay, so it's Arnaud Lambert.
तो वो तो
Okay,
पूछेगी यार
so
Arnold
her
Lambert.
एक बार तो उठा ही सकते हैं
her
एक्सटेंशन लेने का
grandfather's
वो तो उठा
name
ही
is
सकते हैं
Arnaud Lambert. Okay, il a 70
अरे नहीं
ans.
मतलब
How
ये
many
सेल्स
years old
डिपार्टमेंट
he
एक बार
is?
तो बात कर ही सकते
How
हैं
old he is?
ये कर
70.
सकते हैं
70. Very good. 70 years old. Okay. Il est vieux mais active. So what does this line says?
नहीं अगर
He
समझा
is
दोगे तो
old.
वो समझ
Vieux means old. So she is saying that my grandparents' name is Arnaud Lombard. He is 70 years old. He is old, but active is active. So she is saying my grandfather